Hello, my name is Katina Horton. I am the Title I facilitator at Kate Shepherd. Welcome to the annual meeting of Title I parents. Typically, this meeting is held face-to-face, but due to COVID restrictions, the last 2 years the meeting has been held virtually. So thank you for taking your time to come out and view our video. I ask that you be sure to click the link and sign in. We need the names of all of our family members who will be viewing our video. So don't forget to use the link and sign in. So let's get started. Why are we here? The Every Student Succeeds Act of 2015 requires that each Title I school hold an annual meeting of Title I parents for the purpose of informing you of your school's participation in Title I, explaining the requirements of Title I, explaining your rights as parents to be involved. Here's what you will learn. What does it mean to be a Title I school? What is the 1% set aside for parents and family engagement? What is the LEA Title I Consolidated Plan? What is the LEA Parental and Family Engagement Policy? What is a SIP? What is the School Parent Compact? How do I request the qualifications of my child's teacher? How is the annual evaluation of the Parent and Family Engagement Policy conducted? Evaluations need to target 3 key components. Number 1, barriers. Number 2, ability to assist learning. Number 3, successful interactions. How can I be involved in all of these things I'm learning about? Okay, so first, what does it mean to be a Title I school? Being a Title I school means receiving federal funding, Title I dollars, to supplement the school's existing programs. These dollars are used for identifying students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance to help these students meet the state's challenging content standards, purchasing supplemental staff, programs, materials, and supplies, conducting parent and family engagement meetings, trainings, and activities. Being a Title I school also means parents and family involvement and knowing your rights under ESSA. What is the 1% set aside and how are parents involved? An LEA, Local Education Agency, with a Title I allocation exceeding $500,000 is required by law to set aside 1% of its Title I allocation for parent and family engagement. Of that 1%, 10% may be reserved at the LEA for system-wide initiatives related to parent and family engagement. The remaining 90% must be allocated to all Title I schools in the LEA. Therefore, each Title I school receives its portion of the 90% to implement school-level parent and family engagement with clear expectations and objectives for meaningful involvement. You, as Title I parents, will have the rights to be involved in how this money is spent. So in other words, Mobile County Public School System is our LEA. When the district receives in excess of $500,000, a portion of those funds are kept at the district level for school-wide initiatives. The other 90% is split among all Title I schools, and Shepherd receives a percentage of those funds to utilize for parent and family engagement activities. What is the LEA Consolidated Plan? The LEA Title I Consolidated Plan addresses how the LEA will use Title I funds throughout the school system. Topics include student academic assessments, additional assistance providing struggling students, coordination and integration of federal funds and programs, school programs including migrant, preschool, EL, and homeless, parent and family engagement strategies, which is included in the Parent and Family Engagement Policy. You, as a Title I parent, have the right to be involved in the development of the LEA Title I Consolidated Plan. What is the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Plan? This plan addresses how the LEA will implement the parent and family engagement requirements of every Student Succeeds Act. It includes the LEA's expectations for parents and families, how the LEA will involve parents in decision making, how the LEA will work to build the schools and parents' capacity for strong parental involvement to improve student academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of the plan. And once again, LEA refers to the local education agency, which sometimes is Mobile County Public School System and sometimes it's Kate Shepherd. It just depends on in which situation it's used. What is a SIP? The SIP is your school's continuous improvement plan and includes a needs assessment and summary of data, goals and strategies to address academic needs of students, professional development opportunities, coordinations of resources, comprehensive budget, the school's parent and family engagement policy. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of this plan. If you would like to view a copy of the plan will be located on the Kate Shepherd website in November. What's included in the school's parent and family engagement plan? This plan addresses how the school will implement the parent and family engagement requirements of Every Child Succeeds Act of 2015. Components include how parents can be involved in decision-making and activities, how parental and family engagement funds are being used, how information and training will be provided to parents, how the school will build capacity in parents and staff for strong parental and family engagement through evidence-based strategies. You, as the Title I parent, have the right to be involved in the development of your school's parent and family engagement plan. Your student will receive a copy to take home of the parent and family engagement plan in the month of November. It's a little brochure, so be on the lookout for it. What is the School Parent Compact? The compact is a commitment from the school, the parent, and the student to share in the responsibility for improved academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of the School Parent Compact. The school section of the compact must include the following 6 components. Our school compact does include these 6 things. Number 1, provide high quality curriculum and instruction in a supportive and effective learning environment. Number 2, hold parent conferences. Number 3, provide parents with frequent reports on their children's progress. Number 4, provide parents reasonable access to staff. Number 5, provide parents opportunities to volunteer and participate in your child's class once precautionary restrictions are lifted. Number 6, ensure regular two-way meaningful communication between family members and school staff, and to the extent reasonable in a language that family members can understand. So at registration, most of you signed the parent and school parent compact during registration. If you did not sign the school parent compact, we are presently going through our database to see which students still need a copy on file. It's a long legal size document. It comes in triple copies. You as a parent, you keep the white copy, and we keep the other 2 copies on file. How do I request the qualifications of my child's teachers? You, as Title I parents, have the right to request the qualifications of your child's teachers. How you are notified of this right and the process for making such requests. If you want the qualifications of your child's teacher, just contact administration and they'll be happy to assist you with that. However, every teacher on staff at Kate Shepherd is highly qualified. So every teacher has met the state requirements to teach in elementary setting. How is the evaluation of the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Policy conducted? Evaluation requirements. LEAs and schools must actively outreach to all parents and families reaching beyond barriers of cultural, language, disabilities, and poverty. We must conduct annually with Title I parents, analyze content and effectiveness of the current plan, identify barriers to parental and family engagement. Data input must include parent surveys, focus groups, parent advisory committee members. There's a timeline process, and then there's an evaluation for the upcoming school year. If you have any questions or comments or feedback that you would like to share with us, please feel free to reach out to any of the staff members listed on the screen. Mrs. Linscomb is our principal. Mrs. Winter is our assistant principal, and I am Katina Horton, the Title I facilitator. If you have any questions at all regarding Title I, please reach out to me via email or phone number, and I will get back I will get back with you as soon as possible. And once again, thank you for your time, and don't forget to sign in using the Google link. Thank you so much.